Hello guys and girls, in this video you'll see how to set up and play on your own Everquest 2 server. It's fairly easy but needs some configuration, so follow me carefully and you'll get this done. Also, I did extensive testing of setting this up and found my own fixes, so if you like my work I kindly ask you to press that subscribe button. I do lots of content and try to provide you the best. That said, let's not waste time and let's get started. To get this done, first of all you will need to download and install Git. Just go to this exact link, I usually leave all of them in the description. Find this Git for Windows x64 setup button, install it, we will use that later. Next you will need to download and install Docker. This is the software where you will keep the server. Just go here, find this download button and download for Windows AMD 64. Do not change any settings, just install it as it is, skip through all of the steps and you're good. When you have that, you will need to go to some empty folder and open command line from here. You can do that by pressing Windows plus R and type in cmd. Next you will need to go to that empty folder that you have. You can do that by typing cd and the full path to your folder. For example, let's copy and paste it right here. We have it, and here you will need to clone, that means copy the server files and the client files as well. You can do that by finding this link, this command. You can copy that. I will also leave that in the description. Just copy this and paste it here. Press enter and it will start copying the files. I have it already, so that's why it says this. And you will need to do the same with the client link, which you can find here. Select it, copy that and do the same. Git clone and that link. I already have this as well. You can see that here. And here you will have these tons of different parts. To get the client, you will need to open the first one right here, wait for it to open, and just drag and drop the client out into some empty folder as well. If any of these links go down for some reason, you can always find each and every server and client files in my Telegram channel with unlimited and permanent downloads. You buy access for it once and it's yours forever. You can check it out on my Patreon, and that's all that you need to get. When you have all the necessary files, it's time to do just a small tweak of this server to set the passwords for every server component. You can do that easily by going to the server folder and double clicking this eq2emu.bat file. It will ask you for around 10 passwords, set them up, and don't worry, you will always have them in this .env file. You can always open that with Notepad and you will have these passwords right here. Close that and you will need to open command line in this exact folder, eq2emu docker. You can press that address bar and type cmd. It will open up, and here you will need to type docker compose app d, and you will also need to have docker opened like this. Press enter and it will start building the server. It may take a lot of time, just wait patiently, and while it does that you can press right here in this compose stack name and you will have the whole package right here, and in this right panel you will need to wait until it says something like server initial load complete. Wait until that happens and we can move on. As soon as you see this server initial load complete message in this right panel, this means that server is running, and you can click this link and you may receive an error. That's fine, this is dependency problem. It may get fixed in future, but I have found a fix for that. You will need to do that every time you start the server, sadly, but again it may get fixed in future by itself. So you will need to open command line from this exact folder or keep it opened, and you will need to type this command. I will leave it opened for a moment so you can see that. I will leave that in the description. Just type this, press enter, wait until it does its work. It reinstalls some module, and after that you will need to restart that part of the server with this exact command. You can see it on the screen. I will leave that in the description. Press enter. It will restart the server. It will need to take some time, but after that this page will work. and now it works. So it may show you this confidential error. Just press advanced and press go to that website. To log in, you will need to use admin username and the password which you have set. You can also see it right here. Let's copy that and paste right here. Press login, and here you will see this exact screen. And again, this is another minor issue which can be fixed once and for all. Just press this kill compile login world web once. You don't need to do it again. Just press this once. It will recompile everything. It will take some time, but you do not need to do that again. Just press this, press OK, and wait for a long time actually, but you will need to just wait and refresh it and it will work. When the server finishes recompiling, and you can see that by low CPU usage right here, because when it recompiles it will be extremely high, so when it goes low you can refresh this page, log in using that same username and that password, and it will go green. So right here, don't worry about this connected. Here you can press this button to create new user. Let's go with ultrawide username, same password, role administrator, but I will cover that later, and press register. So as you can see, user registered successfully. Close that and you can actually enter the game now. To enter the game properly, all that you need to do is just go inside client folder, and right here you will need to find this eq2 default ini file. Open that and you will need to set this line to 127.0.0.1. It will be different for you. Just set it up like this, save it, close it, and you can enter the game using this Everquest 2 executable file. And here I am inside the game. Let's log in using that username and password which we created before. Press login, and as you can see, it doesn't have any issues, any problems here. So I'm playing this in windowed mode because I need to show you some things, how to properly promote the account to GM level. So let's wait until we get inside the world. So let's create a new character. Actually, I don't care about all of this, so let's go scout, ranger, next, any race. Let's go with this one. Why not? Let's skip that. Any city, select the server, select the name, press play, and let's wait while it loads. So let me skip the cinematic, and we are here. So when you have the character inside the game, to promote this character to GM level, you will need to get back to this dashboard right here, press this more button, press clients, and here you will have this one. You will need to set this admin status to 250, exactly that, so you can use GM commands. Press update, you will have this check, and that means that you can use GM commands now. So for example, you can try something like zone list A. It will give you some list of zones where you can teleport. So let's try something like let's try /zone 841, which is Sunken City Classic. Press enter and it will start loading. And we're here. Actually, I have never played this game, so I am not sure where I am, but yeah, this works. You can also try something like /level 3 maybe, and we are level 3 now. So I will leave all of them and which commands I have found in the description, so you can try to use them, you can tweak them, you can have fun with that, and I hope this works for you. I hope you don't have any issues, any troubles, but if you still have them, just write down in the comments. I will look through all of them, and as usual I will try to help you as much as I can, and I wish you good luck out there.